Ever wondered if SoundCloud lets artists see who's checking out their profile? The short answer, nope. But let's break it down. What SoundCloud Insights actually show. SoundCloud gives artists data on their plays, likes, and comments, but it stops short of revealing who's visiting their profile. Even with a premium account, artists can only track top listeners by location and where their plays are coming from. But if you're just scrolling through a profile, they won't see a thing. What happens when you play a song? If you're logged in, artists might see your username and location in their insights, especially if they use a Pro or Next Pro account. But if you prefer to stay anonymous, simply listening while logged out or using private browsing means only your general location shows up. A lot of people think visiting someone's profile triggers a notification. It doesn't. Unless you're engaging with a track by playing, liking, or commenting, the artist has no idea you were there. Even if you replay a song 100 times, they won't get specifics on who's behind those extra plays. SoundCloud keeps the focus on engagement, not stalking stats. So if you're just browsing, you're in the clear. Found this helpful? Drop a like, subscribe, and check out our blog for more SoundCloud tips.